kyoritsu kew2127R. It is a CATIV 600 watt, CATIV 300 watt, 1000 amp AC current clamp meter, and its true RMS. Its clamp mouth is 33 mm. Test pan is a CATIV 600 watt, CATIV 1K watt, 10 amp PVC cable, 92 cm long, 4 mm plug. Size is 204 x 81 x 36 mm. It uses AAA 1.5 watt 2-piece. AC current is 0.6 amp to 999.9 amp. AC voltage is 0 watt to 629.9 watt. Frequency is 20 Hz to 9.9 kHz. And DC voltage is 0 to 600 watt. Resistor range is 0 to 40 megaohm. Continuity is 0 to 629.9 ohm. And capacity is 0 μF to 100 μF. Die is 0 to 2.099 watt. And this meter have NCV, backlight, whole key, and battery low display. Okay, let's see the meter. It comes with a carry bag, a meter, a pair of test leads, and the parser, and a user menu, and a pair of AAA battery. And there is the parser. And there is the test lead kit. It test tip very sharp of this key. And a soft PVC cable, 4 mm input jack. And let's see the user menu first. And let's open the meter battery compartment. There's battery compartment cover. And there is the AAA battery. Okay, let's see the meter function. And let's see the meter. In the button side, there is the common input. And the right side is the watt, die test or capacitor test function. And this is the select key. And this is the hold key. And the backlight key. Put the first one. The first one is a current key, AC current. One put this one maybe to the peak value, and put this is for whole value, and long put is for the backlight. But 1 second, maybe 1 second, and the next selection is AC voltage, and also put this key maybe to the peak value. And the upper is DC watt measure function. Upper is resistor function and the continuity. Put the select key maybe to the continuity. And the upper side is capacity and the die test function. Put again maybe to the die test function. Okay, let's test the meter. And this meter have a NCV function in all function, but not off function. When power on the meter, there is the sensor of the NCV in this side position. And now testing the meter mouth. The mouth is say that they have a 30 feet. Now see that? They are about 33 mm of this meter. Okay, next test. DC voltage test. Now 2.5 watt. It shows 2.50 watt. Five watt. It shows 5 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.5 or 1 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10.0 or 1 watt. Okay, next test. AC voltage test. It shows 222.9 to 223 watt. It needs a foot reading. NCV test. NCV is in all the position except the off function. Now see it. It about 6 cm maybe send the electric field. And coast also have red light on. It's sensitive very well, but the sensor in this position only. And let's see the cable. Then maybe all send the power. Okay, next test. Resistor test. And now start the test lead. It shows 0 ohm. And let's see the lower arm. 0.5 ohm. You can show 0.5 ohm. It shows accuracy. 1 ohm. It shows 1 ohm. 10 ohm. It shows 10.0 ohm. It very accuracy. 20.03 K. It shows 20.05 K. It shows accuracy. And 20.4 K format. It shows 20.4 met about. And 40 met. It shows 41.4 met. 60 met over. It so overload. It shows accuracy of this meter. Okay, next test. Continuity test. Let's see the meter. If far there's no rebound. 1 1 1 Here about 1 second maybe have the B sound, and then they have about 72 dB of this meter. And this meter makes is about 629.9 ohm. Now 600 ohm. Testing. It may be so 599.0 ohm. Okay. Next test. And when in low ohm, there is 40 ohm. It's so 40 ohm, but no B sound on. And 30 ohm maybe B sound on. $25 no B sound on. $30 no, only $30. Maybe B sound on. Okay. Next test. Resist thermal voltage. Resist thermal voltage is 0.195 watt. And continuity is a bigger 1.398 watt. Okay. Next, capacitor mode voltage is so 0.006 watt. In diode output voltage is 3.2325 watt. Okay, next test. Reference resistor test. The reference is 4.998 km. Now see it. It's so 5.017 km. It's so accuracy. And the reference capacitor test. Now select to the capacitor. Now in capacitor and test the capacitor. It's so 0.121 μF. It very accuracy of this meter. And next test. Capacity test. And this meter mix is 100 μF. And let's test the capacitor. Only little one capacitor. Now see a 10 μF. It's so 10.29. It accuracy. And test a bigger one. There is a 30 μF. It's so 30.8 μF. Accuracy. Die test function. It must be in this position by pressing the select key to the die test function. Die test function. And let's see. It's so 0.526 watt. It's so very accuracy. And let's see use the die mode die function light on the LED. Yellow, green, okay, blue, okay, white, they're also okay, but no any voltage output in the white. Only in the green. Yes, only in the green. Upper is no voltage drop output. Okay, next test. And minimum voltage is 10 milliwatt. This meter. And the DC peak function. Now see the kyoritsu first. It's so 7.1 watt. Need a unity. And let's see the flip. Flip is 7.1 watt. It very near the unity function. AC voltage test. Kyoritsu is so the reading is 6.98 watt, and flip is 6.979 watt. Need the reading and see the peak value of Kyoritsu. It's so 9.3 watt, and see the flip. And flip is 9.51 watt. Need the Kyoritsu reading, and the unity output voltage is 7 watt RMS. Okay. And frequency testing. This meter in frequency in current mode minimum is 4 and AC voltage mode is minimum is 2 watt. And I tested this meter minimum is 0.4 watt. It can display the minimum frequency. Okay, next test. In voltage mode, this meter max is 9.996 kHz. We test max. AC current test. Small current. Now is 10.4 milliamp. And let's see the Kyoritsu. The Kyoritsu is no any reading, only the NCV maybe function. And let's see the flip. The flip will maybe so to 0.02 M. A little bit over. Okay, next test. AC current test. This meter so 0.45 M, and flip is near the reading. Upper is Kyoritsu is 0.76 M. And flip is 0.75, and the flip 189 is 0.78 M. Upper. Flip 189 is 4.1 M. And Kyoritsu is 4.06 M or 7. Need a flip cam meter. Upper is flip 189 is 5.8 M, and Kyoritsu is 5.76 M, and the cam flip is 5.78, same the reading. And now testing the high current of multiple the 10 times of the current. We use a coil for testing. and it shows about 58.79 amp. And now see the tensile of the foot is overload because it's 40 amp. In 1000 amp range, it shows 58. In 600 amp range, it shows 57.7 and could also 58.6. It shows accuracy of this meter. Okay, next test. And this meter have a peak value current test. We now testing the peak value. Its peak value is 91.4 amp and foot is 59. Okay, next test. And this meter have a frequency for testing. And now see the frequency. Now this meter shows the frequency is 50 and foot is about 50 Hertz. Okay, next test. DC high voltage test. 100 watt. It shows 111 watt. Need a full reading. 276 watt. It shows 276.4 watt. Need a full reading. 500 watt. It shows 527 watt. Sorry. It need a full reading. 1000 watt. It over this meter reading. And it show overload. And no any warning sign come out. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. Supply voltage is 3 watt. The maximum draw current is 2.878 milliamp. And the normal current is 2.4 milliamp of this meter. Other wing also the same. In the capacitor function, maybe more. And the die test mode is 2.45. And let's see the backlight. Backlight on. And the first time, maybe draw more current. And at the normal is 1.2 milliamp. And this meter, when the NCV function, maybe draw more current. And let's see it. They maybe draw more current, 2.3 milliamp. Okay. Next test. And battery low test. And this meter in and battery low maybe at 2.4 watt or 2.3 watt. They maybe display the logo, battery low logo. And now supply the voltage reference as a 1 watt. It also okay, can display 1 watt. And when the meter down to 1.8 watt and or 1.7 watt, maybe close off the meter. Now close off the meter and convert. Okay, next test. Meter T down. There is a battery compartment. There's 1 screw. There are 3 screws. There is the inside part. Let's see it. Okay, let's open the meter. There is the other side of the meter. Okay. Auto power off function test. For this meter, when turn on, maybe into auto power off function. When not use any function, there may be auto power off in 10 minutes. And when you want to cancel it, first power off the meter and long put the whole key and turn on the meter. There maybe have a digit P off display, and now time this meter maybe cancel the auto power off function. And now we are testing the auto power off function and turn off again and turn on this meter and testing. Okay, now time we speed up the video. NCV test. This meter sensor is in this position, and now testing the NCV. It about 2 or 3 cm maybe send the electric field.